Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great pickup truck in our collection. A pre-owned 2024 Toyota Tundra 4WD. This Toyota is powered by 4-wheel drive, 3.4-liter engine, automatic transmission and has 5,820 miles. Discover adventure with this 2024 Toyota Tundra 4WD. Reliable, rugged, and ready for anything, this used truck combines power and versatility. Experience exceptional performance on and off the road. Don't wait, your next journey starts here. This pre-owned Tundra 4WD comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with remote start, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, push button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, power tailgate, cooled seats, bed liner, seat position memory. To keep you entertained, this Toyota Tundra 4WD is equipped with touch screen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, smart device integration, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, pedestrian automatic emergency braking, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, crash imminent braking, CIB, backup camera, rear hitch/receiver, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, active safety system, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.